Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 2500 watt Ultralight portable inverter with CO shield. Weighing less than 40 pounds, this is one of the lightest inverters in its class, perfect for taking on small trips, camping, or using recreationally. Champion's Smart Economy mode can provide a quieter operation, extended engine life, and better fuel economy when running under a reduced electrical load. And for added protection, this inverter utilizes CO shield, an auto shutoff system that will shut down the engine before dangerous levels of carbon monoxide have the chance to accumulate in your operating area. This inverter comes standard with two 120-volt household outlets, as well as a 12-volt DC outlet and a dual-port USB adapter for convenient charging on the go. Or connect two units using a Champion Paralink parallel kit to provide 30 amps of power directly to your RV. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to safely access the inverter. Add oil to the inverter. Move the inverter outside. Add gasoline. Start the inverter. And plug in your desired equipment. Champion's 2500 watt dual fuel portable inverter with CO shield. Innovation, power, and dependability.